is supposed to be like 44 for a high. That could be holiday.
I would like to call the October 26, 2023 Treasury Investment Board meeting to order at 6:41. Roll call, please.
Mrs. Allen?
Here.
Mrs. Witt?
Yes, here.
Mr. Buchek?
Here.
Mayor Murphy?
Is there a motion to excuse Mayor Murphy?
I'll make that motion.
Thank you. Roll call, please.
Mrs. Allen?
Yes.
Mr. Buchek?
Yes.
Mrs. Witt?
Yes. We have the approval of the minutes, Treasury Investment Board minutes from July 27, 2023. Council has copies of the July 27, 2023 Treasury Investment Board meeting minutes. Does anyone have any changes or corrections? Hearing none, the minutes are approved as submitted. The business that we have is the third quarter 2023 investment report.
Yes, thank you. For the third quarter of 2023, we ended with a cost basis portfolio value of $25,007,749.19 with $1,374,798.63 in the money market funds. For the quarter, we gained $110,652.44 in income. Our cash sweep account, or our insured cash sweep account, gained $170,747.02 for the quarter. This was a very good quarter for us. We are in a spot right now where we are seeing the benefits of higher investment rates that we've been able to take advantage of over the last year, 18 months. We're looking at rates staying where they are, if not going higher, potentially because of where inflation is sitting at right now. It's not really going down as fast as the Federal Reserve has wanted to. And then also the economy, I don't know if you saw today, I think they came out with the GDP rates were 4.6%. Mike, I don't know if you saw that, but I think it was 4.6%. So very, very, very good. That's higher than what the target rate is. So with that, I mean, there's good things there, but then there's also that stubborn inflation. So it's a balance. But in terms of talking about investments, we are benefiting from that with our cash balances that we have. So right now, if we were to go out and buy CDs right now, we could buy CDs for 5 to 5.5% interest with varying maturities. I am in communication right now with our investment advisor at Huntington to look at moving $5, maybe $6 million from, or $5 million from the ICS or the insured cash sweep account into our investment account and looking at purchasing into the 2028 fiscal year. We want to keep a laddered approach. So if you look at the combined investments chart, for 2024 to 2027, we're kind of in the $5 to $6 million range, for maturities for each year. So we're looking at getting into 2028 and taking advantage of the higher rates that we have right now. So we'll see what's available. It just depends on the day or the week. Some CDs and bonds, they put them out one day and they could be sold out the next day. So, but that's what we're looking at right now. With our cash flow needs, I feel pretty confident in our approach right now. And then also having, if we keep about $10 million in our insured cash sweep account, that is immediately available that day if we need it. But with how well we're doing financially and with the money that we have in our operating account, I don't see that as being a need right now, but we have that as insurance. if we need immediate cash. So we can, so we have the luxury of moving more money into our investments to take advantage of the higher rates right now. So that's what we're working on. We're looking at making some of the large transactions next week if possible, to look at 2028, investing in fiscal year 2028. So for October, we haven't posted we haven't realized the interest right now or just yet, but once we get the October statements, we'll be able to post the interest for this month, which is going to be well over $200,000. We had a number of bonds that had interest payments for this that came due in this month. So that will put us well over the $1 million mark in interest this year. So, and we still have several months to go. So that's all I have, unless anyone has any questions.
Anyone have any questions for the finance director? Do we have any other business for the Treasury Board? If not, that concludes the business for this evening. The Treasury Investment Board meeting is adjourned at 6:47 p.m.